the new DJI Mic Mini 2. It's just arrived, so I'll show you the unboxing. There's a list of everything that's in the box here, and we've just got to get the cellophane off first. This box took a bit of a beating on the way down here by the looks of it, but hopefully there's plenty of packaging inside, so it should be fine. Using the little tag to peel that off. Okay. And in the instructions, very nice and packaging with all the DJI products. Kind of reminds me of the way Apple do it. So in here we've just got usual sticker, which we don't need. Safety guidelines, no, don't need that. Quick start guide, just got a diagram of all the bits and pieces here. Oh, it's a nice little case for it, or pouch, should I say. Just unzip that. That's quite cool. Get rid of that. Charging cable by the looks of it. Oh, and the audio plug as well. So we've just got a USB to USB-C charging cable and the audio plug. So if you've got a camera or something similar. This is the charging box. Just unlock. Beautifully packaged, you got to say. Press to unlock. Oh, look at that, beautiful. See the light comes on, it's charging. Remove before use. Okay, so it's two microphones. And the receiver. It's the adapter to go into a USB-C. I'd have to look at getting an adapter to fit my iPhone because it's got the old lightning type connection. And the other thing in the box are these covers for the front of it. Got a whole series of different colours. Which just clip on like that. It just gives you different colours. If you've got somebody wearing a different colour shirt, you can try and match the colour to their top so that the microphone doesn't sort of stick out so much. So that's it.